Hello everyone, welcome you all. I'm here again only for you. As you know that in the last video you were taught about can. And thanks for watching that video. I hope you liked so much. That's why you are here again for watching this video. In this video we will discuss about what is exact use of may. In this video I will teach you about may. आइए कुछ हिंदी में इसे समझते हैं। जब कोई भी व्यक्ति आपसे पूछता है क्या आप बाजार जाएंगे, क्या आप सिनेमा देखने जाएंगे, आप 80% तो श्योर होते हो लेकिन आप 20% श्योर नहीं होते हो। When you are sure 80% and when you are not sure 20% to go anywhere, then you have to use may. Let's take some examples for this. I may go to cinema. I may join your party. I may write an application. You may attend this class. She may write an application. He may come to your home. I may disturb you. He may take your pen. And thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Till the time, bye bye.